welcome back. Today I am so excited because I found my tripod. So y'all are on a tripod, so I hope that this is better. It's gonna take me a few videos to get the setup perfect, but I think for now we're okay. Today I'm super excited because I am going to show you my personal planner setup. Now this did take me a while to set up just because it was my first real setup kind of thing, so I didn't film it, but whenever I do my other one, which I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this one like this and use one of my traveler's notebooks for my birthday setup, but I might film my birthday setup. Let me know if you want to see that. I'm still very new at it, but I want to go ahead and show you. This is my personal planner. It is the Louis Vuitton GM agenda with rings, and I would say that this is like an A5 size. I think that's what they advertise as. So let's get started. This is the first thing you see whenever you open the planner. Now I did use the Scribble Prints Co. Traveler's Notebook Wizard Kit. That's what the papers and tabs and stuff are from. Also, the majority of the die cuts are from there. This vellum, this bow vellum is from there, which I have in the front and back pocket, but this is my opening page. So we'll do this side first. Since this is a Louis Vuitton, I didn't want to like stick anything on it. So this die cut and this broom die cut and the always are from the, oh, you can't see. The broom die cut are from the Scribble Prints Co. Wizards Kit. Behind here I just have this piece of vellum that I cut in half, and I have one sheet on this side and one sheet on the other side. This is just stuck on to the vellum, so I didn't have to stick it on here, and I just slid it back here. And back here I have some stickers that I will use for my monthly, which you'll see in a little bit. This is just an image that I found on Pinterest. So it just says Slytherin Quidditch team. I am a Slytherin. If that was not obvious by the setup at first, I am a Slytherin. And I just kind of cut this to where it can slide right here. Slide this back in. Down here, I do have this little, it's just like a card from an Erin Condren sticker book, and I have some washi strips on it. So all of the bow washi is simply gilded, and then this black heart washi is from the Pink Room Co., and then the silver and gold metallic is just from an Amazon washi kit that I will link below. So you come over here. This is like the first main thing you see when you open the planner. This sticker is from Fox and Pip. It just says shot, 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 which is basically how I drink my coffee. And I actually have it on the back of this card that came from the Scribble Prints Co. TN kit, and it says happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light, which I love because that is, I have the Lumos tattoo right here on my wrist. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see that, but fun fact, I did just upload a tattoos and piercings video. I will link it down below. I absolutely love how it turned out, but not the point of today's video. This is my main page. This first dashboard is just one of the papers. It's got the golden snitch on it. You can't really see it, but it is. That's what it looks like, and it's green on the inside. And on here I just printed out this sticker myself. I typed it up. This font is Bromello, B-R-O-M-E-L-L-O. I've downloaded it and it's on my computer. So I just have property of me, House Slytherin, Patronus Cab. My favorite class is divination. Not that that matters, but I just thought it was cute since this is a Harry Potter thing. So this gold wand sticker is actually from a collab between VivLuvstoPlan and Simply Watercolor Co. And it's just stuck down right there. And this image is from a designer. Her username is @mustashley. I will also link her down below, and if you're on my planner Instagram, you will see that she's tagged, and she has all the houses, and I just love this, so I printed it out. So I love this image so much. It was actually the background of my phone for a while. But the first tab is my monthly tab. Again, all these tabs came in the Scribble Prints Co. Wizarding Kit. This paperclip is from Kate Spade. It's just a gold bow, and this is a piece of cardstock that I printed out monthly. I did that with all of my sections, just like a title page, and the paperclip is holding together straight to my monthly. Now this is the May monthly, and this insert is from Kaelis, K-A-E-L-I-S Papery. I will have that shop linked down below as well. This is the month on 2 pages, and up here my monthly tabs are from CS Illustrations. That is that. I will film this whenever I fill it out, but my birthday month, so I'm going to use foil. I don't normally use foil on my monthly just because it's more functional for me, but I thought since it was my birthday month, might as well. So that I have all the months throughout the end of this year. So around the month is this beautiful vellum from the Scribble Prints Co. kit, and there is the other half of that paper. When it comes to the papers, I usually just cut them in half so it is not like a book, but with inserts that aren't as thick, I did just leave it folded just because it kind of holds that section together a little bit better. So this is my weekly section. The paper, the die cut, and this journaling card are all from the Scribble Prints Co kit. And again, here's my title page. And this came with my Louis Vuitton planner. It's just like a clear kind of dashboard thing. I'll put like my mini stickers in here whenever I take this with me. And then I have a few of these. I have green and gold ones that I use in here, but it also came with like coral and purple ones. I got those from Target. I have a few inserts in here just because I'm trying to figure out which inserts I like best. So these first inserts are from CS Illustrations, as you can tell, and I am just, so this is my current week. I haven't done it yet, but it is just the week on 2 pages spread. Again, here's another one of those green paper clips, and this is from Hello Petite Paper, I believe. It's just a little charm. It's so cute. And then I also have marked with this paper clip from Amazon. It came in a big, oh, you can't even see it. It came in a big pack of bow paper clips, so I love that. But these are just marking my Jesenia Printables week on 2 page foldable inserts. My second weekly, again, I haven't done this weekly yet. That is all for that section. On the back, I do have this, it's almost like a vellum kind of envelope. I got some Happy Mail in it, and in here I just have another journaling card. This is the Slytherin girl. They're double-sided, and there was the Hufflepuff and Gryffindor one, but I'm Slytherin, so I just slide that in there. The Deathly Hallows decal is from the Scribble Prints Co kit, and the Hello Muggles, this is from Spencer and Jude. And something I did with this is I only taped it down on this side so I can use this part of the die cut to like hold this down. And I'll put my weekly stickers that don't fit in that Louis Vuitton insert. I'll pop them in here. So the next section is my to-do. It has this beautiful paper. And see, this one I left folded. I did not cut, so it like kind of holds this little section together. So this is my to-do, and it's got this pretty acetate. I love this. And then this is my to-do. So this is strictly all pen. These are also from CS Illustrations, and it is the horizontal week on 2 pages. So I literally just write in the date and then write with pen all things I need to do. I'll add sticky notes. This paper clip is from Sweet Paper Bliss on Etsy, but I will just use this, especially if the week is really busy, and just kind of write things in, and then I'll go back and plan. But this is just where I jot everything down. So that is that. This dashboard is again just from the Scribble Prints Co kit, and it is the green glitter. This is a die cut from there, and I believe this is a die cut from My Newest Addiction. I'm not sure. I'll have to link that one down below because I'm actually not sure about that. And this is just a bunch of Harry Potter cats. I got this off Pinterest. I will try and leave my Pinterest down below. I have a whole Harry Potter board. You should go check it out. But I just printed that out. I think it's so cute, and it's just taped right there. So this is my online section. And again, you can see I left this one as a book because it just keeps it together. So this is all of my online orders. Again, this tool paper clip is again from Sweet Paper Bliss, and these online order insert is from that K-List Papery. Again, I will link that below because I know I'm not saying that right, but this is just a bunch of online orders. So that's that section. This section, I love this paper. It's got the Hogwarts crest in it. It's just so pretty. This is my notes section. So I have a few inserts in here. These inserts are again from that K-List Papery. I just like this paper because it's so thick. So my classes will start June 1st again, and I will use this for assignments, tests, reading, and notes. And I have another one of those gold paper clips just kind of holding these together. And then I have this note paper, which I don't recommend. I actually bought it at the Target dollar spot, and I don't know if you can tell, but I had to, I hope you can definitely tell, I had to punch my own holes because it wasn't the same holes as this. But it doesn't bother me because this is literally just my notes section. I just jot down a bunch of things. And this cute little paper clip, just a little tassel paper clip, I also got this from Target. So that is my notes section. And then back here I just have the other half of that vellum sheet and this poorly printed paper that says Fight Like a Girl and it says Hermione Granger. I just like to keep that back there. It's cute. So guys, that is my personal planner. It's cute without being too decorative, and it's still completely functional, and I take this with me everywhere. I will show you when I close it. Tabs don't stick out. I mean, they stick out a little bit, but they don't get torn or anything. And then my paper clips from the top, I just keep usually about 3 in there. And then these tabs, they come just above the top of the planner, so they don't bother me because I usually set my planner like down in my purse like this. There is a pin loop, but if I just either slide a pin right down in there or I just have one at the bottom of my purse. And I love how this one just dangles out. That is my personal planner, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick video, just wanted to show you my setup. If you are interested in watching me set up my birthday personal planner, then let me know. I would love to do that. I've been collecting things, so I'm really excited about that one, but this is my Slytherin one, and I really, really love it. I just think it's so cute, and it's Harry Potter without being too much Harry Potter, and if you get any inspiration, let me know. I would love to see pictures. Find me on Instagram, both my planner and my normal one, and I will make sure to tag all the shops that I've mentioned and anything I forgot down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!